Welcome to the 5330 and 5386 solid bottom basket installation video. We will be demonstrating bottom, side, and door mounting applications. Before we begin, you'll need the following tools: a power drill with the number 2 Phillips bit and a 3/32 inch bit, a Phillips screwdriver, scissors, tape measure, pencil, and tape. In your box, you'll find the following parts: a solid bottom basket or solid bottom basket U-shaped, bottom mount brackets, slides, release levers, rear slide brackets, bracket spacers, side mount brackets, L-mount brackets, and door mount brackets. You'll find the following screws: M4 by 6 machine screws, M4 by 10 flathead screws, Euro screws, 1/4 20 by 1/2 inch washer head screws, number 6 by 1/2 inch flathead screws, number 6 by 3/4 inch flathead screws, number 8 by 5/8 inch truss head screws, and an instruction sheet with templates. Bottom mounting. Align and attach the bottom mount brackets to the front and rear of each slide using the M4 by 10 flathead screws. Your bottom mount template has several numbers along the top and bottom edge. Cut along the numbers that correspond with the size of your individual unit. We have a 15-inch solid bottom basket, so we will cut along the number 15. Measure the opening of your cabinet and mark its center point. Align the front of the template to where the back of the cabinet door will be. For overlaid doors, such as ours, align the front arrow of the template to the front of the cabinet opening. Secure with tape. Pre-drill the holes on the template with your 3/32 inch drill bit. Attach the slide sets to the cabinet door using the number 8 by 5/8 inch truss head screws. Snap the 2 bracket spacers to each rear slide bracket. Make sure the numbers 2 and 0 are facing up. There are 2 metal plates secured underneath the basket. Attach the orange release levers using the number 6 by 3/4 inch flathead screws. At the other end, secure the rear slide brackets using the Euro screws. Place the basket on top of the extended slides and push back until the basket locks under the tabs at the rear and bottom of the slide. You should hear a click when engaged. Cycle the unit. Side mounting. Align and attach the side mount brackets to the front of the slides using the M4 by 10 flathead screws. Measure and mark the desired height of your template. It must be at least 1 3/4 inch up from the cabinet floor. Place the left template at the front edge of your left cabinet wall. Use tape to secure. Pre-drill with your 3/32 inch drill bit. Use the reverse side of the template and place at the same height on the right side wall. Pre-drill with your 3/32 inch drill bit. There are 2 ways to attach the side mount brackets. For the S-shape method, place the wider portion of the brackets in the up position. Secure using the number 8 by 5/8 inch truss head screws. Attach the slide set to the bottom portion of the bracket using the M4 by 6 machine screws. This S-shape method is used to avoid door hinges. For the N-shape method, place the wider portion of the bracket in the down position. Secure using the number 8 by 5/8 inch truss head screws. Loosely attach the slide set to the top portion of the bracket using the M4 by 6 machine screws. Don't completely tighten. Repeat on the other side. Once assembled, it resembles the lowercase n. Repeat the basket assembly steps. Place the basket on top of the extended slides and push back until the basket locks under the tabs at the rear and bottom of the slide. Cycle the unit. With the basket engaged, you can now tightly secure the slide set. Door mounting. Attach the L-shaped mounting brackets to the metal plates using the M4x6 machine screws. Insert the 1/4 20x1/2 inch screws to the side of the mounting bracket. Do not completely tighten. Place the door mounting bracket over the screws and tighten. Place the basket on top of the extended slides and push back until the basket locks under the tabs. Next, measure the height of your cabinet door and record that value. Measure the height of your cabinet opening and record that value. We have an overlay door, which means the door is larger than the cabinet opening. To determine the overlay value, subtract the smaller cabinet opening from the larger cabinet door. Divide that number by 2. Measure the base of the face frame to each of the 3 oblong holes on the door mounting brackets. Record those dimensions. Add the overlay value to each of your slotted hole locations and transfer those dimensions to the back of the door. If you have an inset door, then it is smaller than the cabinet opening and fits inside the face frame. Subtract the smaller cabinet door from the larger cabinet opening and divide by 2. Subtract that value from each of the door mounting bracket slotted hole locations. Measure and mark your hole locations on the back of the door. Prior to pre-drilling, it is always a good idea to note the thickness of your door and add some tape to your drill as a guide to keep you from drilling through your door. Now let's pre-drill 3 32nd-inch pilot holes. Your holes should line up with the door mounting bracket holes. Secure using the number 6x1/2 inch flathead screws. You will be able to adjust the door by loosening and positioning the screws with your Phillips screwdriver. Your installation is now complete. Enjoy your product for years to come.